Told me it's been sitting in here for 3 years, went through 2 hurricanes. No. Stop recording. I like my dock. Low tide baits, slam stick, first cast.
Measuring so Chris can see it.
28 3/4. Hey, Matt, is Black Ops.
He ain't a monster, but he's a triz out. See some bait out here jumping around. Alright. He's a little male too, you hear him grunting?
That's what I had.
Male grunt.
Meta. I'm gonna need a net for this one probably.
Sure.
Oh, it's a jack. Oh, let's see that shark try to get it.
Get it there. The shark's trying after it.
I want to get video of the shark hitting it.
Dang, I wonder if it picked it up, that shark getting on.
Oh, it definitely did it because I saw it.
Right.
Here's the slam for the boat on the CCA 3.8 inch paddle. Oh, it was trout and reds?
Yeah, Pasco's
Oh.
Pasco's is different, dude. You gotta pick. I go over my poles, dude. Not under it.
Feels like another one of those jacks.
Yeah, maybe. Take him that way, man. Don't move off. Go get back down to the jack. He's going quick, man. Run it down his spine. More than one fish. All these turtles, I wouldn't them more.
Yeah.
Mini cobia. Low tide bait, another variety.
That's a snook.
Double snook, man.
Oh, there he goes. Oh! Coming right to me.
That's bigger. Let's put it on the scale, man.
On the slam stick again. Oh, you motherfucker. Look at that, swallowed it.
Look at that.
Look at that, son.
Big dog.
Welcome to Homosassa, boy. Slam stick provides again.
Crack it up your boat real quick.
Thank you, buddy. Mike got a trizz out. Watch that line. You want me to get the net? Oh, that's real. Oh, he broke? Oh.
He's right here, dude. I'll bring him to the net. I'll bring him to the net. Here we go. Thanks, sir.
There you go.
Go, that mother.
Oh, that's you gotta get your identification card out.
Yeah, he